G here from OG Creations. It's February, a month full of days, 28 to be exact. We have Groundhog Day, National Pizza Day, Love Your Pet Day, President's Day, but most importantly, we have Valentine's Day, which means love is in the air. It also means it's time for another mini collection. I'm bringing in a large pot of water just below boiling. I add in 1 tablespoon of soap and 1 cup of kosher salt. Using Rit Dye Proline formula, I add in neon pink powder. Once it's back to a simmer, I add in a number of Calvin Klein jockstraps and men's bikini briefs. I stir them constantly for about 15 to 20 minutes to make sure that they are a consistent color, and then I let them simmer until they're all hot and bothered for about another 40 minutes. I follow the same process for the men's ribbed tanks and t-shirts. My goal was to create a flirty, colorful set that my customers would never want to take off and look as good as they feel. All of these items are then given a soda ash bath for 20 minutes and then set aside for 12 to 24 hours until they're almost dry. Using the crumple technique, I wad the material up just like the old tissues or tube socks in any teenage or lonely-hearted guy's floor. Question: have you ever had that favorite bottom that you couldn't wait to sink yourself into? Or that favorite top that feels so good you never want it to pull out? God, I mean off. You never want to pull it off. Anyway, if you said yes to one or both of these questions, then the 2'da Pink series is just for you. If you're liking the way these are turning out, make sure to click the link above so you can grab yours now, because someone may be grabbing you later, and you'll want to look cute for that. For the jockstraps and bikini briefs, I apply Dharma Trading Company's Plum dye powder and a layer of dry soda ash powder. I repeated the same process for the ripped tanks and t-shirts, however, I flipped them over and add a layer of dye and soda ash to the back as well. Using a plant mister filled with hot water, I saturate the fabric with the steamy mist and let it set aside for 24 to 48 additional hours. As a firm believer in the adage, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, all the items are rinsed out until the water runs clear. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being completely dried, they are ironed, inventoried, and ready to cover your goodies. Check these out. I effing love them. Vibrant, fun, and super sexy for that special Valentine's night out. I know when you're balls deep in them, you will gush over them. I hope you have a fantastic Valentine's. And to help make mine a little sweeter, please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.